Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the home screen tricks on Realme 16 Pro 5G. Alright, so to open up the customization menu, all we need to do is to hold on an empty space on our home screen, and down below we can see the things that we can add and change. We have the widgets, we can change the wallpaper and the style, change the layout, and we also have other home screen settings. Let's begin with the widgets. If you tap on that, click on agree and continue, and here you have a list of apps that you can add, actually from which you can create a widget. So let's add maybe a clock widget. Oh, I have tapped on the Chrome, my bad. And if you tap, you can see that we have a few styles of the widget. Also, their size is different. You can see it down below. And now let's add maybe this one. So to add it, hit the button, and it had appeared on our home screen. Of course, you can change its position anywhere that you want. Simply hold it. You can place it, for example, on that screen, on that one. It's up to you. I'll stick to that position, and now our home screen widget has been successfully added. Of course, you can add multiple widgets. Next here we have the wallpaper and the style. In here, you can match the lock screen with your wallpaper. You can add a new wallpaper if you click the plus button. In here we have some system wallpapers that we can select, and of course if you want you can add the photo from your gallery. Click on agree, and in here you'll be able to add the photo that you want. Unfortunately, I don't have any photos that I can pick, so I'll select the wallpaper from already existing ones. Now if you want to add it, hit on apply. Next to it we have the style. We can add the blur effect on our wallpaper. We can change the system colors. In here we have the featured ones. And we can also select the wallpaper colors. I'll stick to the default. Next to it we have the icons. We can change their theme and also their size. We have a few modes available. If you click on more and then agree, you'll be able to apply new ones from this store. You can also enable the ArtPlus icons. Use redesigned icons for third-party apps. You can change their size. We have this bar. We can add the rounded corner. Okay, for this one, for this theme, for this size, it's impossible, but for this one, it's available. You can see the differences right in here. We have actually 3 locked positions. If you want to change it, hit on restore to select the default value. And you can also change the size of the app name. Then hit on apply. Okay, let's hold again. We can change the layout, 4 columns or 5. You can also hide the icon names, so your home screen will look more clear. Maybe that's added for now, but I'll stick to the 4 columns. Now, this is how our home screen looks like, pretty clean. And next to it we have the home screen settings. We can select, do we want to have the home screen with the drawer or without it? If you're using the drawer, to launch it up, slide to the app side, and here we have our app drawer and all apps installed on our device. If you select the standard mode, you won't have that. Simply all of your installed apps will be on your screens. We can also lock the layout. That's also sometimes it's pretty useful, because let's say that we have created our perfect layout and we don't want to change it by a misclick. That's the mode when you can lock your layout, and now it's impossible to move anything on your home screen. We can see a notification that the layout is locked. We also have the icon autofill. That is also a pretty useful thing, because when this mode is enabled, this feature, let's say that I want to uninstall the TikTok. Normally, when this feature is turned off, a gap here would appear. We would have an empty space. But thanks to that feature, when I will uninstall the app, the app that was next to it simply jumped into the place of the Facebook, and that gap has been fulfilled. That is a pretty useful thing. It can help to organize the space on our home screen, and we don't need to change the icons manually. We don't need to change their position, because it will be done automatically. We have the gestures. Also, we can select what will happen when we swipe down on the home screen. Currently it's set for the global search. We can also select the shelf or notification and the quick settings. You can change the app animation speed, standard or enchanted. Sorry, not enchanted. I'll stick to the standard in my case. You can also change the transition effects. Down below we can see all possible modes. We have the default one, the roll. You can see a preview how it's going to look like. We have the cube, the flip, card, and also the tilt. It's up to you which mode you want to use. For now, I'll select the cube. Hit on apply if you want to apply the changes, and that's how it's going to look right now. Pretty cool thing. We also have the frosted glass effects that we can enable, so it will give us like a iPhone vibe. It's up to you, do you want to use it? For now I can keep it, and that's basically all that I have wanted to show you. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.